The Stranger in the Garden. Once upon a time, there was a man who had a big mango garden. He planted lots of mango trees and cared for them until they bore fruits. This time he wanted to sell them to make money for his family. One fine day he went to pick mangoes with his son and saw a stranger was sitting on a branch of a tree and picking mangoes. The man got angry and shouted, "Hey you! What are you doing to my tree? Aren't you ashamed to steal?" The stranger sitting on the branch looked at the garden, but he did not reply, and he began to pick the mangoes again. This time the gardener got very angry and shouted again, "I have been taking care of these trees for a whole year. You have no right to pick fruits without my permission. So get down from the tree now." The stranger in the tree replied, "Why should I come down? This is the garden of God, and I am the servant of God, so I have the right to pick these mangoes. You will not interfere in the work of God and his servant." The gardener was very surprised to hear this answer, and he made a plan. The gardener said to the stranger, "Come down from the tree. I have some useful things to say to you." The stranger came down from the tree. As soon as the stranger got down from the tree, the owner of the garden tied him to the tree and began to beat him with a stick. The stranger shouted, "Why are you hitting me? You have no right to beat me." The gardener did not listen and began to beat him. The stranger shouted, "Don't you fear the God? You are beating an innocent man." The gardener replied that, "Why should I be afraid? This stick in my hand is God's, and I am God's servant. Rather, you should not interfere in the work of God and his servant." The stranger hesitated and said, "Wait, don't hit me. I am sorry for taking the fruits. This is your garden, and I should have taken your permission before taking the fruits. So please forgive me and let me go." The gardener smiled and said, "You have done evil, and do not use God's name to justify it." After that, the gardener untied him and let him go.